Well, Oklahoma has long been a manufacturing hub. From aerospace to electronics, other states and even nations covet the resources as well as locations we have here in the Sooner State. So when a Swedish firm looked to expand their company to the States, Oklahoma was the obvious choice. Joining me now is our Keela Kellen.
Well, Andy, with summer temperatures what they are here in Oklahoma, it's no wonder our state is a leap ahead in providing efficient solutions for air conditioning, refrigeration, and heating, which is why a Scandinavian company is now calling Oklahoma home.
If you've ever used one of these, or one of these, chances are you've used a heat exchanger. SWEP, a Swedish company, produces heat exchangers, and they have a new production facility in Tulsa.
Our finished product is actually a brazed plate heat exchanger. There's many different types of heat exchangers. SWEP just focuses on the brazed plate technology.
Technology designed to heat or cool water, which allows for a more comfortable living. Jared Lavelle is working to put together the new facility.
At one time, Tulsa was the heat exchange capital of the world, believe it or not. Now, the majority of the companies here make different types of heat exchangers, but the technology, the education required to support that technology is very, very similar. So when it came to finding workers, people that can engineer our products, people that can support our projects and products, Tulsa was a natural fit.
A natural fit due to key elements, including the highly trained workforce that is available. Håkan Nielsen is the president of SWEP and believes the new plant will be the perfect place to reach American customers.
We think Tulsa being an ideal location for us, both how we do logistics, how we get access to a good workforce, a very skilled workforce. We have good programs for energy that we are in need of, so the location here fits very well.
With 6 plants located around the world, Tulsa is SWEP's only U.S. facility.
We have our customers actually in different countries, in different markets. We want to be close to the customer. And also the heat exchange we build are quite heavy, so they are expensive to transport. So from that point of view too, we want to be close to the market.
Expensive to transport, making location a key element.
We are a global company, but we are working locally. We are working in our different marketplaces, so we want to be close.
Headquartered in Landskrona, Sweden, SWEP operates 35 facilities around the world and employs over 850 people worldwide.
So Keela, what does this mean job-wise for Oklahomans?
Well, Andy, they foresee their North American plant doubling in the next few years, as they will start with 25 employees and grow their workforce to about 50 by the year 2015.
All right. Thank you so much, Keela.
You're welcome, Andy.